How big is that hole? You see it?
3, 4.
What is it?
3, 4.
Are you on the edge of the hole?
I think so.
It's 3/4. Let me see. Well, I'll probably scoot it back. It's a little too reclined, I think. But can you see out the window, the front window?
Yes. A little bit, because I'm too short. But yeah, I can see.
Yeah, let's do this because this will give us a better picture. All right, get in there and sit on that. All right, you can see out the window now when we're driving down the road.
Yeah, I could see it.
Perfect. Okay, I think we found the height that we need.
Okay, bye.
Right. You going to gymnastics now?
Yes.
Okay, see ya. Okay. Quick update. I had to extend this. I don't know what I measured at the start of this as far as height, but I was way off. And the seat was like, the front of it was way up high when I set it in here. So this is where it should be. So I put a little extension in here. I'll clean that weld up. But now I'm just figuring out where to put these little plates. They're going to go to here. And this will be hard mounted to the floor. And then the seat can just go and set onto here and connect here and here. So this will be permanent. These will be permanently attached to this floor. I was just marking out the holes that I'm going to drill through here and bolt this to the floor to make sure I'm not hitting drilling right into a wall of these toolboxes and stuff underneath. So I think I found a good spot for these where they're not going to cause any structural damage when I drill through here. wood on fire. Oh my God. Okay. You can do this. You can do this. All right. Just gotta get it started. Okay. Well, that really tested the patience. I'll tell you what, holy smokes, that was annoying. I'm almost ready.
Do I have to do two of them?
Yep, you gotta do that side and then you gotta do the other side. Okay. I'm good. You got it?
Yeah.
You let go of it.
Can I have off the bottoms?
Nope, I already did it.
Can I hold it on?
Okay.
Am I gonna step
You can
over?
come out. Thanks. You did a good job. Well, that's
Tumbleweed Garage.